this module, you will learn about meaning of industry, outcome of industrial activity, types of industries. Let us begin the session by understanding the meaning of industry. Activities concerning the conversion of raw materials into finished products are encapsulated in the industry. Some of the examples are the making or manufacturing of goods, that is, converting resources into valuable goods, growing, producing, processing, assembling, extracting, constructing, fabricating, and breeding of products, imparting utility to goods using mechanical appliances and technical skills, producing similar or related goods by different firms like textile industry and film industry. The end products of any industrial activity are known as goods. According to their utility, they may be either producers' goods or consumers' goods. Producers' goods are used by other enterprises as raw materials for further production. Examples are plant and machinery and equipment and tools. Consumers' goods are used by final or ultimate consumers for deriving personal satisfaction. Examples are jams, clocks, and edible oil. According to nature of activities performed, types of industries are primary industry and secondary industry. Let us look at each of these in detail. Primary industry. Primary industry deals with the extraction, production, and processing of natural resources. It is further classified as extractive and genetic. Extractive industry. Extractive industry raises wealth from natural resources like soil, climate, air, water, or from beneath the surface of the earth. For example, agriculture, fishing, hunting, mining, and soil exploration. The features of these industries are: these industries are the oldest occupation to human beings and provide raw materials to industries. Human beings only collect and cannot add to the wealth extracted from the earth or sea. Only the location of materials can be shifted. Materials once extracted cannot be replaced. Genetic industry. Genetic industry rears, breeds, reproduces, and multiplies certain species of animals, birds, and plants in order to gain profit. Examples are nurseries, cattle breeding, fish hatcheries, and poultry farms. Secondary industry. Secondary industry deals with the transformation of materials provided by the primary industry. It is further classified into manufacturing, construction, and tertiary or service industry types. Manufacturing industry. The manufacturing industry converts raw materials to semi-final or final products. The goods produced by extractive or genetic industries are prepared to make them suitable for use. Most of the goods which are used by consumers are produced by manufacturing industries. Manufacturing industry is further classified into analytical, synthetic, processing, and integration or assembling units. Analytical industry. The analytical industry analyzes and separates the basic materials in order to get the different final products. For example, separating or refining crude oil into kerosene, petrol, diesel, gasoline, and lubricating oil. Synthetic industry. The synthetic industry is concerned with grouping together or combining or synthesizing raw materials to produce final products in the manufacturing process. For example, cosmetics like shampoo and soaps. Processing industry. In the processing industry, the product undergoes various stages to become the final product. The process is such that the resultant product of one process becomes the raw material of the receiving process, and soon the final process produces the finished goods. For example, in case of woolen textiles, it undergoes cleaning, carding, spinning, and weaving to produce the final product. Integration or assembling industry. In the integration, also known as assembling industry, the final product is the outcome of assembling various parts or components together. Products such as phones and computers are good examples of integration industry. Construction industry. The construction industry caters to the infrastructural needs, that is, the construction, erection, or fabrication of products. Engineering and architectural skills are of fundamental importance in this industry. For example, construction of roads, flyovers, and bridges. Tertiary or service industry. Tertiary units serve as the backbone of modern industrial system. They are responsible for the smooth functioning of the business by bridging the gap between producers and consumers. These include transport facility, banking provisions, insurance, warehouse and storage facility, and advertising. Various hindrances which can be removed arising during the production and distribution of goods and services are transport, the movement of goods from one place to another, banking, credit facilities to industrial and trading firms besides providing banking services, insurance, facilities to deal with various kinds of business risks, warehousing, storage facility to the producers and traders, advertising, provide information to consumers. In this module, you have learned activities concerning the conversion of raw materials into finished products are encapsulated in the industry. The end products of any industrial activity are known as goods. According to their utility, they may be either producers' goods or consumers' goods. Primary industry deals with the extraction, production, and processing of natural resources. Primary industries can be further categorized into extractive industries, genetic industries. Secondary industry deals with the transformation of materials provided by the primary industry. Secondary industries are further classified into manufacturing industries, construction industries, tertiary or service industries.